Chapter 4 Tables in Word 2016. Learning Objectives. Insert tables. Enter data in tables. Format tables. Insert rows and columns. Merge and split cells. Tables in Word 2016 allow you to organize information in rows and columns, making it easier to compare and present data clearly. A table is a grid made up of rows and columns. A column is the vertical series of cells, while a row is the horizontal series of cells. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Inserting a table. There are multiple ways to insert a table in Word 2016. Two common methods are using the grid option and the insert table option. Using grid option. To insert a table using grid option, follow these steps. Step 1. On the Insert tab under the Tables group, click on the Table button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Move your mouse over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you want in your table. You will see a live preview of the table in your document. For example, if you want a table with 3 columns and 4 rows, hover over the grid until the preview shows 3 columns and 4 rows. Step 3. Click on the grid up to that you want to create the table. The table will be inserted in the document. Tidbit. The grid option allows you to quickly insert a table up to 10x8 cells. Using Insert Table option. To insert a table using Insert Table option, follow these steps. Step 1. On the Insert tab under the Tables group, click on the Table button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Click on the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Step 3. Enter the number of columns and rows you want and click on the OK button. The table will be inserted in the document. Shortcut keys. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to quickly access the Insert Table dialog box. Did you know? When you insert a table, the Design and Layout tabs under Table Tools appear in the ribbon for additional formatting options. Entering data in a table. Once you have inserted a table, you can start entering data into it. Follow these steps to enter and navigate through the data in your table. Step 1. Click on the cell where you want to enter the text. Step 2. Enter the desired text into the selected cell. Step 3. Press the Tab key to move to the next cell to the right or use the arrow keys to navigate between cells. Example: filling in student names and grades in a class list table. Now we will fill in the table with student names and their grades. No more. To move to the previous cell, press Shift plus Tab. Selecting different parts of a table. When working with tables in Word 2016, you may need to select different parts of the table to format or edit them. Let us learn how we can select various parts of a table. Selecting an individual cell. Move the mouse to the left side of the cell until it turns into a black arrow pointing up and to the right. Click to select the cell. Selecting a row. Move the cursor to the left of the row until it turns into a white arrow pointing up and to the right. Click to select the row. Selecting a column. Move the mouse over the column until you see a black down arrow. Click to select the column. Selecting the entire table. Move your mouse over the table until you see the table selection icon in the upper left corner. Click to select the table. Inserting rows and columns. You can insert rows and columns in a table to add more data. This can be done using the Layout tab under Table Tools tab. Inserting rows in a table. To insert more rows to the table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the row above or below where you want to add a new row. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click on Insert Above or Insert Below to add a new row above or below the selected row. A blank row will be inserted at the required place in the table. Inserting columns in a table. Step 1. Click on the column next to where you want to add a new column. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click on Insert Left or Insert Right to add a new column to the left or right of the selected column. A blank column will be inserted at the required place in the table. Deleting rows and columns. Sometimes you need to remove unnecessary rows or columns from your table. This can be done using the Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 1. Click and drag to select the rows or columns you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click on the Delete button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the appropriate option, Delete Rows or Delete Columns. Did you know? Pressing Shift plus Delete can also delete selected rows or columns quickly. Adjusting row height and column width. Adjusting the row height and column width in a table allows you to customize the size of the cells to better fit your data and improve the table's appearance. Changing row height. Step 1. Click and drag to select the row or rows you want to adjust. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Cell Size group, find the Height box. Enter the desired height or use the up and down arrows to adjust it. Changing column width. Step 1. Click and drag to select the column or columns you want to adjust. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Cell Size group, find the Width box. Enter the desired width or use the up and down arrows to adjust it. Did you know? You can also drag the borders of rows and columns directly with the mouse to adjust their size. Merging and splitting the cells. Merging and splitting cells in a table allows you to combine multiple cells into one or divide a single cell into multiple cells. This can help in creating complex table layout. Merging the cells. Merging cells means combining two or more cells located in the same row or column into a single cell. Merging cells is useful for creating headers that span multiple columns. To merge two or more cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Click and drag to select the cells you want to merge. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Merge group, click on the Merge Cells button. Splitting a cell. Splitting a cell means dividing a single cell into multiple cells. To split a cell, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the cell you want to split. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Merge group, click on the Split Cells button. the Split Cells dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter the number of rows and columns you want and click on the OK button. Moving and resizing a table. You can move and resize a table in Word 2016 to adjust its position and size according to your needs. Moving a table. To move a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the table to select it. You will see a small handle at the top left corner of the table. Step 2. Click and drag the handle to move the table to the desired location within the document. Resizing a table. To resize a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the table to select it. The resize handle will appear at the bottom right corner of the table. Step 2. Click and drag the resize handle to resize the table proportionally. Changing the text alignment. Adjusting the text alignment in a table allows you to position text within the cells to make the data more readable and visually appealing. Aligning the text in a table. Step 1. Click and drag to select the cell or cells where you want to change the text alignment. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Alignment group, select the desired alignment option. Text Alignment Options. Top Align aligns text to the top of the cell. Center Align centers text vertically in the cell. Bottom Align aligns text to the bottom of the cell. Align Left aligns text to the left of the cell. Center Align horizontally centers text horizontally in the cell. Align Right aligns text to the right of the cell. Shortcut keys. To quickly align text to the center, press Ctrl+E. Table Styles. Table styles in Word 2016 provide predefined designs to make your tables look more professional and visually appealing. You can apply these styles quickly and customize them as needed. Step 1. Click on the table to select it. The Design tab under Table Tools tab will appear. Step 2. Click on the Design tab under Table Tools tab. Step 3. In the Table Styles group, hover over the different styles to see a live preview. Click on the styles you want to apply. Did you know you can create your own custom table style by clicking on the New Table Style button in the Table Styles group? Chapter Essentials. A table consists of rows and columns, and their intersection forms a cell. You can insert a table using the Grid or Insert Table option. Entering data in a table involves selecting a cell and typing the text. You can insert, delete, and adjust the height and width of rows and columns. Merging cells combines them into one, while splitting divides a cell into multiple cells. Tables can be moved and resized for better positioning. Text alignment and table styles can be changed for a more professional look.